Okay, our final video for today is going to put the last two examples together. So we're actually going to write the equation in slope-intercept form. So we're going to start with y minus y1. Just change the colors on me again. Let's try this. Okay, so y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we're going to change that to slope-intercept form. So we're going to follow the two steps we had in example 2. So I have x1, y1, and m. I'll plug those in. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now our next step was example 2, and we had to distribute. So we're going to distribute our 1. So I have y minus 0 equals 1x minus 1. And then I needed to get the y by itself. Well, if there's 0 there, I don't really need to do anything. Remember, I don't usually write 1s in front of my x's. So this would be my final answer in slope-intercept form. Okay, let's do another one. x1, y1, m. We're going to plug it in. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Remember, two negatives make that plus a positive. And so that's example 1. Plug them in. After you plug them in, go ahead and distribute. So I have y minus 4 equals negative 6 times x and negative 6 times 1, which is negative 6. And then my next step would be to get the y by itself. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. So negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So our answer is y equals negative 6x minus 2. Okay, C, x1, y1, m. So I have y minus y1, change that to plus a positive, equals m times x minus x1. Distribute. Use your calculator if you need to with your fractions. So 3 halves times x, 3 halves times negative 2. So I have y plus 2 equals 3 halves times x. And then 3 halves times negative 2 is actually negative 3. Don't believe me? Plug it in your calculator. Subtract 2 from both sides. Negative 3 minus 2 gives me negative 5. So my slope-intercept form is y equals 3 halves x minus 5. Okay, last one. x1, y1, m. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, two negatives make that plus. We're going to distribute. So 1/4 times x and 1/4 times 4. Sorry, negative 1/4. So I get negative 1/4 x. And then negative 1/4 times 4 is actually negative 1. Again, plug it in your calculator if you need to. And then add 3 to both sides. So negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. Okay, and that's it. Just combining example 1 and example 2 together. So, try these next 4, have them checked when you are finished, and then you will receive your homework. Tomorrow we're going to mix all this together and review. Have a great day.